How to become a flirt over 40 part 3. Now the I in flirt is investing in your dating costume. And what I mean by that is it's something that makes you feel amazing when you walk in on a date. It should be different than your work outfit. It should be different than your mommy or your daddy outfit. It needs to be intentional. When you put it on, you feel amazing. And I do this by teaching the 3C formula. Now the first C is your confident clothing. I know that you have an outfit in your closet that you always pull every time that you have an event or a date. Take it out, look at it, and what is it about that outfit that makes you feel confident? Is it the fabric? Is it comfortable? Do you get complimented in it? That is your go-to outfit, and the notion is to get more of those kind of things because you're going to walk in on those dates just feeling better. The second C is the cut of your clothes. It is not one size fits all. Every body has a different shape, and once you know what clothes flatter that figure and what clothes don't flatter that figure, you're going to wear clothes, you're going to look in the mirror, and you're going to feel more confident. And the last C is color. If you are someone that wears black all the time, you definitely need to splash some color into your life, not only for your online profile, but when you're going on dates. There have been studies that show men and women are attracted to certain colors. And not only that, there are certain colors that are going to lift your mood. So I have a client, Frank, and I have to say I love doing manovers. They're my favorite thing because guys are really kind of easy. They just want to know what is efficient and effective, the 2 E's. Well, poor Frank, he came to me, just all his clothes were not fitting him and he really didn't know how to style himself, and he had all these pictures online and he wasn't getting any clicks on his pics. And so he asked for help. Well, the first thing obviously we had to do was a style makeover. And one of the things that I noticed about him is not only were his clothes too big, but he was carrying himself as a person who was still heavier than he was. He had lost all this weight. He didn't even see his body. And let's just say he was pairing things, well, a little off. He had blue shoes on and big cargo pants, and it just wasn't working for him. So as we went through the store, I was getting him some stylish jeans that fit his body and a nice button-down shirt, and he walked out of the dressing room and he looked and he felt like money. And even his body language was different. So he walked out into the department store and all these women started checking him out, and he carried that sexy confidence back home with him. And I kid you not, about a week later, he comes to me and he says to me, Kimmy, I can't believe this. This has never happened before, but women are actually checking me out. And it made him more confident to approach women and then eventually ask them out. And he carried that confidence back home and he started asking women out, but more importantly, they actually started saying yes. It's time for dating to finally be fun and easy. And if you want to know more secrets, go to flirtover40.com.